¿Y este? Ven, ven. Oye, pero ¿qué onda con este cascarón? Wow.
Es un 912.
Ok. Oye, ¿no lo vendes? Dude, there's literally a Porsche 912 in Mexico. Like, I've always dreamt about finding like these barn finds practically, right? I wanted to jump into another platform, and that was between an FDRX7 shell, so we can 4G63 swap it, a Mitsubishi FTO because it would kind of go with the rest of the cars. It would kind of go with, you know, everything as far as the brand goes. But I do want to expand it to other platforms, and the Porsche was the one car that, for me, it was the one that got away, right? So we had to sell the yellow 75 shell not too long ago. I want to say like around 3 years ago, to build a 3000 GT, and I've always wanted to come back and build one. Completely out of gas because the car died on me. No way, dude. Come on. No way, dude. I'm in the middle of the street. I was literally about to leave, and this thing decides to do I even have like a gas jug? Let me figure this out, and let's get going. Running late already, so. Alright, so I have this laying around. I'm not sure if it's 91 or 87 though. But as long as it gets us to the gas station, because yeah, this thing won't start at all. Alright. See if she starts. Otherwise, we got other issues besides no gas. But I'm pretty sure this is it. It has to be. Come on, you can do it. Come on, girl. Come on. It was too early for this. I shouldn't. Let's keep an eye on the fuel pressure here. 3,800 pound car by myself at 5 in the morning. That's my life right now. Way too heavy. I'm gonna go get more gas. I'm pretty sure that's the issue, and if not, I'll have to call for some help to push this thing back in, because dude, I literally like already scraped. It's too heavy. Also, 3000 GT tags in the video description. Try number 2. Alright, come on now. What is going on? I think I'm just gonna take the RSX. I don't know why it's not starting right now. Never had any sort of love from the Mitsubishi community, but what I can tell you guys is this thing always starts up. And all I gotta say is, can't be Honda with that. Alright, let's go. And you know, I've never really taken the DC5 to a Cars and Coffee, so if anything, it's kind of good that we're taking it, you know? Arrived. Is that Richie? no idea where to park. It's a nice one. Oh, for sure. So it's JDM themed, basically. So we have the exotics on the outside and then the Japanese cars in here. What up?
Oh, what's up, man?
Dude, it's sick to see it out, dude.
You just missed it. I just turned it off.
Really?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing a mini dock on this RX-7 really soon. You just have to get tuned, no?
Huh?
You just gotta get tuned, no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, it has a base tune right now.
As a base tune? Super clean.
Of course.
Coming in clutch.
Always coming in clutch, bro. Because someone forgot to wash the car.
I didn't watch it. I wasn't thinking about bringing it.
I got the Halloweeny nano protector for the win.
So basically a bunch of wealthy guys got together and decided to build this building, and then you can basically rent out these little storage units or garages where you can store your cars. Wow.
Holy snap. Mirror is like halfway up there.
Like, dude, the paint is just mint.
It's literally immaculate.
Do you need some nano protector?
Yeah, I think we go get it real quick.
It's probably cost more than our cars can buy. Just
It is beautiful. Wow. I love me an R35. Got Ian's 3000 GT. So, I need to do gauges on my VR4, and Ian actually makes these 3D printed gauge pods. It almost looks OEM too, dude. I really like it. It's very clean. So, we'll be doing that soon.
It's amazing.
You actually like it?
Yeah, genuinely. I do.
Oh, okay, cool.
It threw me out because I'm used to seeing people more than anything.
Oh yeah, you never see
I've
these.
never seen a V6 with turbo.
Mitsubishi, yeah, they're a little rare.
Guys, welcome to my crib.
Dream garage, bro. Look at this.
Yo. Even the floors, dude, epoxy floor. When did you get this place, dude?
I wish. Dude. Look at this setup, it's so odd. Of course he has an NSX, look at that.
Yeah, he's like.
This is a cool car, dude.
He's like, hey, I gotta have both of us. You don't understand.
What is that?
This right here, it's called the mystery car.
How big is this?
285, 30. Holy, 285, 30.
It's a 22-inch wheel,
22-inch
dude.
wheel. That's
22-inch wheel.
great. It's a Lancia. This is a Lancia. Yeah. Bar.
It's boosted.
So it's boosted. Yeah, this is Lancia. This is a good model right here, dude. $60,000.
No way.
It's a GT350 Shelby.
It's an original.
It's an original.
When I was a kid, this is my favorite car.
Yeah, this is.
And also, you think of
So low.
That's not.
It's like making me feel uncomfortable.
Oh my god. This used to be like my dream car as a kid, the 430. Yeah, there's a Ferrari that I grew up with, like admiring. I think it was definitely this one. This one in the 360, I think was like my generation. Later, man. Take care. Bye. 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 testing out some LED tail lights that I built for a fellow 3000 GT owner. I'm officially going to start offering a DIY kit, so if you're able to do some wiring, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. I made a video, I'll go ahead and link in the video description. And you guys want to just make your own kit so you can do it yourself, so you don't have to send out your tail lights to me and we have even made. It's more expensive because it's time consuming. You could just buy the DIY kit. I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well. Pretty much comes with all the materials needed. All you got to do is literally do this, plug this into your tail lights, and they work for running lights and brakes and turn signal. The socket right there. Let's go ahead and turn on our running lights, and there we go. So that's pretty much what they look like inside. Once you press the brakes, it increases in brightness, but we can go ahead and adjust the brightness level. I usually leave it at 50%, which is right there, so that we're able to get 100% once we brake. So that's kind of the setup that I have. Let's see if the car starts. I went ahead and checked the fuel pump relay and wiring on this side, and it seems to be okay. So basically when I started the car, it basically had no gas. I went out, put like around 3 gallons of gas, and it was just cranky. We were getting fuel pressure. I didn't hear the fuel pump prime. Might have just been the cold weather. The car just started, acting up. But let's go ahead and see if it starts now. That's a little bit hotter. Okay, so everything happens for a reason, and maybe this thing starting this morning saved us from something else. So I'll take it. The car started right up. That was weird. Okay, so let's go ahead and start heading out to Mexico, and I'll see you guys over there. It's currently golden hour out here in Tijuana. Currently here at the warehouse pretty much by myself, so everyone already went home, and I usually stay a little bit later when it comes to whenever I'm here at the office, because I like to edit when no one's around. It's kind of hard to focus with all the noise going on and stuff like that. So currently my second day here in TJ, we're going to be painting the DSM bumper. I don't know if I told you guys, I actually have a spare DSM bumper that I've been wanting to put on my Eclipse because it's super clean. It just needs paint. Siempre trabajando. ¿Qué dice?
Que estoy oyendo un monólogo.
Oh. So Sergio's currently not here. He's actually still in the capital city of Mexico, and he won't be back for around a week or so. So I'm pretty much here early. I'm basically just here after hours to kind of edit a little bit. It's kind of hard to edit when there's just during working hours, because you have all the employees making noise and it just gets very hectic. So I find it very difficult to edit. So I'm gonna show you guys the behind the scenes. I'm basically editing the Mitsubishi Owners Day for Utah. It's quite a process, guys. Honestly, this takes me around 2 days, depending on how long or how much footage I have. But yeah, it's currently 45 minutes. I'm thinking I'm just gonna make it into a 2-piece video. But yeah, honestly, recently when it comes to my life, it's been very hectic. I've been traveling places. I've been going back and forth to Mexico. I've been trying to film as much content as possible. I've been trying to do the Evo. I've been trying to do the 3000 GT, the RSX wrap, and it's just been super hectic to the point where I've actually had 4 people tell me that I look tired, like I look like I need some rest. And I kind of believe it, because honestly I do feel tired, and I feel like I haven't taken any breaks. And when it comes to this stuff, it's like, as much as I love it, I do kind of have to take care of myself sometimes and eat properly, because I wouldn't eat, or sometimes I wouldn't sleep. I would just kind of stay up late and then wake up super early to go to the gym, and it's kind of taking a toll on me. So I pretty much took a break from like social media for like a couple of days. It's also super essential, because once you kind of get in the loop of just the same thing, you start feeling off.
As you guys can see, it has no holes or cracks like mine does. So right now we're going to focus on cutting up the mouth and some of the bumper for the front mounts.
¿Y este? Ven, ven. Oye, pero ¿qué onda con este cascarón? Wow.
Es un 912, güey.
Ok. Entonces es como que año 70 y...
Es 67, güey.
Oye, ¿no lo vendes?
No es mío, güey.
They got some pretty rad stuff out here. All super low key. Hi. Dude, there's literally a Porsche 912 in Mexico. Like, I've always dreamt about finding like these barn finds practically, right? I'm actually currently selling the RSX if you haven't seen Marketplace if you're local or anything, but I wanted to jump into another platform, and that was between an FDRX7 shell, so that we can 4G63 swap it, a Mitsubishi FTO, because it would kind of go with the rest of the cars. It would kind of go with, you know, everything as far as the brand goes, but I do want to expand into other platforms, and the Porsche was the one car that, for me, it was the one that got away, right? So we had to sell the yellow 75 shell not too long ago, I want to say like around 3 years ago, to build a 3000 GT, and I've always wanted to come back and build one.